Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here, we will show you how to construct the unit to become a grill and slow cooker all in one. Place the base on a flat, level, horizontal surface with the folding legs facing upward. Unfold the 4 legs. Flip the base over. Slide the tray into the slot in the base. Lower the oven chamber onto the base. Latch the 2 pieces together. Lower the charcoal grilling chamber onto the base tray. Make sure the lid hinge slots are facing backward and latch the segments together. Next, attach the lid. Insert the lid hinges into the lid hinge slots. This configuration generates heat from charcoal in the charcoal grilling chamber. The charcoal grilling chamber generates high heat to the grill on top of this configuration. The charcoal grilling chamber also generates indirect heat in the oven chamber, which is great for slow cooking while you grill on top. If you need more heat in the oven chamber, hot charcoal can be added to the tray in the base. The tray slides out so that the charcoal can be loaded into the tray easily without having to open the oven doors. Warning: be very careful moving hot charcoal. Wear appropriate protection. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.